Hello everyone and welcome back to JRF Educational channel. So first of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you those who have qualified for NET or JRF this time. And this video is actually to all of you those who have qualified, because previously many students have done this mistake and are suffering and will continue to suffer for this small mistake. So I don't want any of you to face this problem. So मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप लोगों को भी ये प्रॉब्लम हो. सो जानते हैं कि ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है, और इवन आफ्टर क्वालिफाइंग JRF और LS यू कैन स्टिल हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो हाउ कैन यू अवॉइड? लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो एंड नो दैट. So the problem is actually you are getting to this interface when you are clicking on your application ID, your date of birth and all, and you are checking your score. So it is well and good you're qualifying JRF or LS anything, but after that what you're doing, you are taking the screenshot of this page. Or else some of them are not even taking the screenshot, they are just happy that they have qualified and they are moving on. But the thing is, this thing will be present on the website for certain days and then NTA will take this page. And why it is important, as you can see here, that you will get the JRF or NET certificate. That is true for everyone, so that is not any issue. But the thing is, you will see the NET and JRF certificate is like this. So this is how the UGC gives the certificate for the JRF and LS, and you can see here it is only mentioning the name of the candidate, roll number, which subject he or she has qualified, and when he or she has qualified, and till what time it is valid. So it is just 3 years validity for JRF, and so here there is nothing about how many marks you have secured, what is the percentage you are having. So these things you will not get from the JRF certificate, which you will be getting in the future. But the thing is, here you can see, here you are getting the marks for individual paper. From that you can calculate the percentage. So why this is important? This is important because I'll give an example. Here you can see, for example, there was the application for BS USC, and here they are asking for the NET with JRF, or you are having only NET, but there they are asking for the score and the percentage. Along with that, they had one more option which I am missing here, to upload the file justifying the score and percentage. So if you are not having this page with the marks, then what you will upload? With the help of only JRF certificate, they will not allow, because there is no marks and no percentage. So I would suggest you that click on the print link. So you would have done this, that is well and enough. So it is not that only by downloading this and getting the PDF form is the final step. The final step is, I would suggest you that don't keep it in your computer or mobile. They can't work for the lifetime. So I would suggest you to take the help of Gmail. Yes, try to download this page, that PDF with the marks, and send it to your own email and write it in the important section which is given in the email. Important part, important documents, keep it safe. So in that way you will be able to save this thing for the lifetime. Otherwise many students were unable to fill this form because they are not having the score and percentage, that part which is having the proof that they are having this score or this percentage for uploading. So in this way they will lose the assistant professor or any jobs or any research labs, because gradually they will ask the score and percentage, and if you are not having, then you will definitely face problems for the lifetime. So as you have done this work, you have did all the hard work and all, so don't do this silly mistake of ignoring this page, or taking screenshot will not work, downloading the PDF itself will also not work. Try to keep it safe in the Gmail, I'm telling you, because computers and mobile can go wrong at any time. So ये था एक important information आप सबको देने के लिए. So I hope आपको कुछ help हुआ होगा, and all the best for the future endeavor. See you guys in our next video.